Hello guys! Yung first menu namin ngayon is, ano yun Minda?
Adobong baboy.
Oh, adobong baboy guys. So, lagyan mo ng patis. Oh, ito yun guys. Nag-cooking kami dito kasi birthday ni Henry at saka birthday din ni Nang Lina ngayong Sunday. Happy birthday Nang Lin! So, that's why guys, oh, mag-ano kami. May mga menu kami ngayon. Iba't ibang menu. So, guys, mag-snacks na kayo. And then, ano na yun, Mindan? Lagyan niya ng silver swan. That's enough muna. And later, we will add on. Andito naman si Manang Lina. Yung, what? Wait first. Si Manang Lina is magawa siya ng pansit. And then, this one, ang chicken pala, guys. Oh, may itlog na inside.
Itlog?
Yeah, there's an egg. The one that you get. May plenty of eggs na pala. Oo, that one, Johnny.
This?
Yeah. Oh, that's egg. And this one, oh, inside, pag inihaw siya, guys.
Wow!
Wow, may egg na. So, i-cook natin na later, Johnny. Oh, you like to eat, John?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, what can you say about that chicken?
Thank you, chicken.
Thank you daw, chicken. Oh, ganito pala yun, guys. Oh, inside.
What is that?
Oh, no.
What is it?
Oh, so plenty of eggs pala yan. Diba? Plenty of eggs yan. O yung isa,
Stomach.
o yun sabi ni Jerome, yung isa, parang hindi siya ng itlog na. Ay, meron pa rin. O Jerome, sabi mo, hindi na siya mangitlog. Ang dami palang similya, oh. Oh, dami pala siyang similya ng eggs. Hindi lang malap.
Adobo. Balik sarap.
Ano yan? Oh, yung isang cook naman. Wow, it's plenty of eggs pala. It's okay. We have plenty naman po. Para yun sa mga, ni Manang Lina at saka ni Henry, guys. Birthday yan.
It's a samad.
Oh, it's Samad. Oh, because it's birthday.
Birthday?
Oh, birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wow, Manong Henry's birthday. At Lola Lynn. So, ganito pala yun, guys. Yung inside sa, sa girl na chicken.
Hiwaon na ni ma'am?
Oo, hiwaon mo na.